friends, I'm Piyush. This is a product called E-Cylinder. This is basically designed on a concept of oscillation which helps to reduce overall body weight, especially to tone the abdomen, sidelines and hips area and thighs area. We are sure if you spend 10 minutes, average twice or thrice a day, it helps you to reduce between 1.5 to 2 kg average weight of yours, but it actually helps you to tone overall body of yours. In comparison with any product like treadmill or cycle, yes, such products are very effective, but the question is how consistent are we on those? Secondly, all other products like treadmill or cycle will help you to shape and tone your body, especially the abdomen part. I'm just putting my extra air in it so that you can see I do have some extra tummy, but actually I don't have, because I do use this product every day. This machine has a speed up to 40 km per hour, which means you can customize the speed as per your comfort, your requirement. Now I'm going to start this machine. There are two different programs. One is up and down, the second is oscillate, which means left to right. The combination of these two programs will help you to make you run across. The moment when we have to start always with the jogging part. It comes along with a wireless remote. You can see this is working on a 0 speed, and you can still see my whole thighs and abdomen part is working here. I'm going to increase the speed. The speed comfort is all depend upon your consistency on it. Initially we don't suggest to start with more than 30-35 of speed. There are 100 level of speed, but we don't suggest you to go more than 30 to 35 for initially first 15 to 20 days. At this point of time you can see my whole abdomen part is getting affected. My waistline, my tummy, right? The whole of pressure on my thighs. Always remember, whenever you stand on it, you have to keep your stomach empty. Also remember to read your knee joints, because this product is really help you to cure your knee joints. There are no jugs I'm feeling across here. There are no jugs. My knees are absolutely safe here. While working on it, it works on 10-minute automatic program. So you can keep changing your requirement, your comfort between jog, walk and run. Now I'm moving my body towards running mode. You can see the portion of this product. It is working only on the up and down. Now I'm changing on it. Now it is working on left and right. This will help me to improve my balancing and concentration power, right? Although this is not that interesting because it doesn't make much effect on my body, so I would prefer to convert into both. And now I'm using up and down and left and right, the combination which comes across all 3D. This is my whole body. You can see my abdomen, you can see my side tires, you can do that. You can easily read that. There are multiple ways of exercise that you can do. In this position, this will help you to work out. You can feel my voice is getting fluctuated, so the impact which I am getting is totally different now. Now I'm going to increase the speed just to show you for once. This is at 50 level. You can see the whole body I am getting working out. My whole upper part of the body is stable. You can see the abdomen here. You can see the side tires. I'm just turning around to show you my hips area. You can see my jugs here. My whole bums are getting up and down here. My back line, my spine is safe, right? Now I'm again turning on it. At this point of time it is working only on 50 level. Now I'm going to increase the speed again. This is working on 80 now, guys. You can see my whole legs are jerking now. My whole body is getting jerking now. I can't actually afford this much of a speed. Now I'm taking, there are 2 step belts. Since you are new to this exercise, we always recommend to use these straps. This will help you to balance your body. Initially you can hold and balance yourself, as well as you can do some stretch exercise on it. The moment you change your movements, every time you will feel the different effect across in your body. Oh my god, I start sweating, guys. See this. I'm standing in company showroom which is totally air cooled, but I start sweating in just few seconds. Now I'm putting it down. Now I'm going to change the motion. This machine has 10-minute automatic program, automatic timing, so it automatically gets off in 10 minutes. If you are looking to skip, if you are looking to enjoy the skipping, you just need to turn around. But you need to ensure your toes should not cross the third level of arrow. I'm doing the exact skipping here. I just need to take my 1 foot back if I want to target my thighs area only. This is only targeting my thighs area. Again I have to turn around. This is targeting only my thigh area, the both. This machine will really help me to improve my overall body balance and concentration. Now I'm going to change the motion again. I'm moving forward towards the most easiest exercise, which is called sitting on the machine. You can see I set it down here. I'm sorry, I have to keep mask also because it is compulsory these days. I have set it down on the chair. If I want to target my upper part of the body like my biceps, my chest, my shoulders, my upper back, I'm sorry, I just need to sit on it and hold this machine like this. You see this? The whole of my upper back, these muscles, these fat area, the bicep fat area, the shoulder fat area is all getting affected. Now I'm moving to a different level which is really super when I just love it, called Baba Ramdev Kapalbhati. I just turn around like this way and I keep my spine straight. I can feel the whole, absolutely my abdomen exercise. This is called Baba Ramdev Kapalbhati. In this exercise, this machine will help you to improve your overall digestion process, improve blood circulation, strengthen your back muscles also. Let's move to the next level now. Now, if somebody wants to shape only the core part of their body, they just need to put their knees on this like this way. You see, my whole leg are not moving, but my abdomen is getting affected. This is too much, guys, too much. Oh my god, I can't afford more than this. I think this is good enough. But you just need to remember two things, which is most side. Whenever you are running on the machine, whenever you are trying and exercising on it, you always have to remember that you have to stand in the center arrow. There are arrows for you to understand. There is a 3 arrow. One is made for walk, second is for jog, third is for run. So we have to stand in the jog, right? Both. When we spread, that's okay. But when we want to get down, we have to come in the jog and again step down. There is a vacuum system. You need to put this machine over floor only. Do not apply any carpet or any cloth or anything, because there is a vacuum system. There is a wheel also in this product. You can see the volume of vacuum. There is a wheel. If you want to move, you can move it one room to another room. These are optional, that you want, you can use it, otherwise that's okay. But the most importantly, please keep your meal difference. You can use 10 minutes before, but at least an hour later you should apply this machine. And we believe that you should do at least 15 minutes twice a day, 30 minutes a day. That will help you to burn somewhere about 500 calories. Alright guys, this is I think good enough to know. If you know anything more about this product, please call at 7300000739. Thanks guys, take care. ये संजीत को भेज दे बस.